आज मेरे दोस्त के घर पे एक बारबेक्यू पार्टी है एंड मैं शेफाली को लेके जा रहा हूँ। सो ये बारबेक्यू पार्टी मेरा दोस्त हर साल करता है एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेसिकली कि आपको अपने घर से अपना प्रोटीन जो भी पनीर, चिकन, मटन जो भी है मैरिनेट करके लेके आना है एंड उसके बारबेक्यू पे ग्रिल करके एंजॉय करना है। तो हम दोनों हैं तो एक नंबर लेजी, इसने ना कुछ मैरिनेट किया ना मैंने, खाली हाथ नहीं जाएंगे। विल प्रॉब्ली टेक सम कूल ड्रिंक और समथिंग एंड चिप्स और समथिंग। सो फर्स्ट वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू अलादीन। सर आलीशान टिक्का, Shefali, the breadwinner, is paying for this Alishan Tikka.
Yeah, guys, you all think I'm a gold digger? Look at this, I'm fucking paying.
How much is the bill?
1,300.
What? How much is it? 313.
Let me ask you all this question, okay? We went to Smoor, I paid the bill. We went to Olive, I paid the bill. We went to Empire, I paid the bill. We went in front of Aladdin Shawarma, I paid the bill. So, he's the gold digger, right?
So now I am the gold digger?
Yeah.
You put together, you paid 2,000 rupees.
Shut up, fuck up. Math, he doesn't know.
Oh, really?
No wonder he's unemployed.
Gosh.
I'm too
this
good.
much roasting you shouldn't do, huh?
I'm too good at this. I'm too good at this.
You shouldn't roast the unemployed, okay? You should encourage the unemployed to get a job.
I encourage you to get a job and pay more often.
Okay. The ultra legend is here. What's up?
What's up?
Say hi to the vlog.
Totally not scripted. Hello.
Totally not scripted, yeah. Shefali, come say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
All is well? Going home?
No. Ready to leave now.
Ready to leave? Come with us in the car.
Come.
Full scenes, boss.
Car you got?
Yeah, boss. Shefali. The best car in Bangalore.
Which car, bro?
Polo GT, guys.
Polo GT guy.
Okay. I'm getting one chicken tikka.
Good.
You want something?
No. I just ate fries again.
Fries. Very healthy, boss.
Thank you.
You're doing gym these days, no?
Yeah, I am.
Shefali paying again, guys. That's crazy.
50 rupees tip.
That's crazy. Yeah, give them a tip.
That's too much.
Come on. Thank you, sir. The boys who drink will consume alcohol.
Sorry?
We shall go buy a Diet Coke. Come.
Yeah.
Sharan sponsoring liquor for everybody.
Oh.
Where is the Diet Coke? I don't see it. What?
It says Lotte. Is it that Lotte Choco Pie ka Lotte? Lotte.
Lotte?
Oh, Lotte. Lotte. I said
Lotte, it seems very good. Bob Bees, we are now headed towards Cooktown and that's where Dhruv lives. Dhruv is the host for the night. And Sharan, do you have vegetarian food for yourself? Because everybody is only getting meats.
We have paneer blocks.
You have paneer blocks?
Yeah. But I don't know who's going to marinate it.
Brother, marination and all. Just consume straight protein, brother.
Okay, brother. That's the plan.
Nafkar is getting, huh?
Nafra's got
Oh, Nafkar has got.
straight protein.
Full boss. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, Ruben. Christina, say hi to the vlog. Everybody say hi. This is the host.
Hello.
What can we expect tonight?
He didn't make jungle juice.
You didn't make jungle juice. See?
You wouldn't even drink the jungle juice.
I wouldn't drink, but it's like for the vibe, you know?
Exactly.
He was talking about it a lot.
Yeah, where's the jungle juice, boss?
Sorry.
Can you make it now?
What did you bring?
I brought my girlfriend.
What food did you bring?
Oh,
Say the same thing.
This is what Akash's girlfriend got for us. She's gotten brownies. It looks mental, boss. It looks mental. Can we get a scissor, please? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Knife.
If that primer catches fire, it should be good.
We're now setting up the barbecue. So Bobby's, they've sent us out to get some chips because they're like, khali haath kyun aaye ho? So we're going to the Hot Chip Center to buy some chips. I'm going to show you my favorite chips there. They are tangy finger bites. Do you know what they're called? Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, I'll show you what it is. Mental good. Okay, 200 grams kudi akka. These are the hot chips, Bobby's. You've not eaten these finger bites ever.
Never.
How come, boss?
Yes, I used to eat Fryams. I used to eat hot chips. Have you eaten that turnip wala chips? That stick.
Yeah, they slap. Dhruv, insane party, boss.
Bye.
Food was crazy good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was mental good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tell bye.
Bye. See
He's
you.
going back to Australia, guys.
Yes, soon.
Say bye to the vlog. Abu, say bye.
Bye.
We're not going anywhere. We're going to another party. Chalo, see you. Bobby's. I just exited the barbecue, dropped Chef home, and now we've come to meet our man, Saigal. What's up? I told you the party isn't over yet. Saigal and I out here, and we're going to be meeting up with another friend. Saigal is meeting Hari for the first time. You guys know Hari. We went to Mysore together. We are parked in front of his house now, and come bro, come inside. What's up, Hari? Say hi.
Hi.
Sorry bro, I need to change exposure for you.
It's like
What's up, bro? Abhishek Sehgal.
Abhishek Sehgal. Sehgal is his, okay? He's my college friend.
Yeah.
And Hari is my Fabs junior.
Not bad, okay.
Okay, so let's go get some dosa bobbies. Fucking Hari left, bro. I thought he'll come join us.
Bro, he was in a hurry, bro.
He was in a hurry. Okay, anyway, so guys, we're going to this place called as Kentucky Chicken Center where they have amazing South Indian style dosa and curries. Sir, you have special, sir? Bro, you want to try a biryani also?
I don't mind.
You don't mind? So we'll do one thing. We'll get one chicken biryani.
Yeah.
And we'll get one dosa each with like a chicken curry. Biryani aita sir? Sir, one biryani kodi. How biryani agata? Okay sir, one biryani kodi matte one single dosa chicken curry. Dosa and chicken curry bobbies. Love that combo. Come, we'll sit and eat here. Guys, this is roadside eating. I can't bring chef here, that's why I brought you.
We from the streets, dog.
We from the streets, dog. Biryani is ready. Let me go grab that. Thank you, sir. Yo, biryani looks like tomato rice, bro. How's the dosa?
It's so fucking good. Holy fuck, bro. Insane.
It looks good, though.
It's actually banger, bro.
Actually,
Yeah.
I feel like his curry is a little watery today. I've had better here.
This is the worst day to wear a white t-shirt, bro.
Why you think you'll spill some curry?
Easy, yeah.
Easy, huh? Let's try the biryani, bro. Mid as fuck.
I haven't eaten good biryani in like 7-8 months, bro.
Decent biryani, not the best. Dosa chicken curry better. Can be slightly better if the curry was thicker, but it's fine.
Everything's better when it's thicker.
Everything's better when it's thicker, guys. You heard it here first. Second round of dosa chicken curry. How much was it?
190.
190, huh?
Yes, sir.
Inflation going crazy, bro. No, the curry is just too thin today, bro. It can be thicker. And like Sehgal said, everything's better when it's thicker. We've gotten the weirdest looking idlis now.
They look like titties, bro.
I don't know what tits you're looking at, bro.
Hey, yo.
Why are your tits fucking rectangular shape?
Indonesian, bro.
Indonesian. Oh, nice, nice. Breaks in easy. Bro, that's like the fastest I must have downed 2000 calories in my life. Like, what, 20 minutes you were there for? It was so cheap that I didn't have to pay. Sehgal covered all of it.
Yeah, no, yeah.
How much was
Just
it?
like old days, bro.
Just like old days. Yeah, you guys probably don't know this, but when we were in college, Sehgal didn't let me pay even once. Okay?
Okay.
He used to pay for everything, and now I don't ever let him pay.
That's my brother.
He bought the dip, right?
He bought the dip.
I don't think they understood.
They don't.
What do you mean by buying the dip? Is when a stock is undervalued. Stock or crypto is undervalued, you put money, right? That's called buying the dip. In my case, when I was fat, Sehgal saw potential in me. And he bought the
It's
dip.
my bets, dog.
He placed his bets. And now I have a channel of 11,000 subscribers. But basically, he bought the dip, so now I never let him pay. Except for these chiller monies and all, 500 and all. But yeah, let's go get dessert, bro. Take left, we'll go to Amintri or something for dessert. We are on Church Street right now, and this is the most packed that I've seen Church Street in a long, long time. Kannada Rajyotsava celebrations are going on. And on that note, to everybody watching, Karnataka Rajyotsavada Hardika Shubhashayagalu. Say the same. Happy Kannada Rajyotsava, you can say.
Happy Kannada Rajyotsava. I love my
state, right?
I love my state, bro.
Born here, raised here, all is well. We love this place. And for those who don't know what Karnataka Rajyotsava is, it's basically the day Karnataka, the state, was formed. We got Karnataka flags everywhere, beautiful vibes. A lot of crowd though. And also something that I've been noticing lately is on Church Street, bro, there are a lot of Malayalis lately. A lot.
How the fuck are you able to
How do I know? Because see, if you look at a person
Yeah.
and you want to know if he's Malayali,
Yeah.
you will just know because these dudes wear extremely baggy jeans, one shirt they'll wear or a dark colored t-shirt, they'll have curly hair and they'll have a mustache. They all have a mustache, bro. Bro, these Mallu people only chill with Mallu people, bro.
That's facts, bro.
Right?
Like they got a Mallu radar. Like
They got a Mallu radar, bro. One Malayali can identify another Malayali very easily. This is the first time we go to Amintri on the vlog. Sehgal, have you ever been here?
no, because I'm not a girl and I don't have a girlfriend.
I've been eating a lot, bro. Went to Dhruv's barbecue
Yeah.
party, went to Aladdin shawarma.
Like today.
Yeah, before meeting you, I went to Dhruv's party. Now I have come to meet you. If I'm overeating, I might as well do all of it at once. I might think of getting something like this, but if I get that with you, that's borderline gay, bro.
Yes.
Full up cake and all. Bro, we had to get out of Amintri as well because it's jam-packed, no seating. And to be honest, none of the desserts there were calling for me, right? Yeah. So now we're going to Smoor because I'm going to get Saigal, the Dubai chocolate that I tried there. It's not authentic and all. They've Indianized the Dubai chocolate. But that's what I like, bro. I like it when people Indianize things because it tastes better. Bobbies, we are now at Smoor and we're going to get this Dubai chocolate. Last time Shefali didn't let me enjoy it. Saigal can't say no to me, right? Saigal is the one guy I can always lean on.
Pistachio kunafa.
Of all the chocolates, the Dubai chocolate is the most expensive, bro.
I'm literally, if I put my finger in, dosa will come out.
You're that full. I could definitely go eat more, but I stopped. Right, Bobbies, we've gotten our Dubai chocolate from Smoor, which they call pistachio and kunafa, right?
Which is a horrible name, but okay.
Dubai chocolate, just
Yeah.
here you go. Unboxing experience. How is it?
Good shit, bro.
Good. First bite is good, but I don't think I can finish it.
Yeah, it'll probably get too boring because it's the same fucking flavor, right?
But the least you can buy is 100 grams.
Fuck, chef was smart.
Say bye.
Bye, guys. I'm going to Jakarta. Enjoy the vlog. I don't know, eat food, whatever the fuck.
Hopefully we'll see him soon.
Like and subscribe.
Bye, dog.
CG.
Bye, bye, bye.
We should do boop boop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop.